Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to An Intuitive Reality. I'm going to be your host, teacher, and coach, Rylee June. Healing doesn't have to be so hard. I'm going to help you to equip yourself with all the things you need to know to be able to truly live that out. You want healing to be easier. Yes, moving through emotions can be very challenging. I really preface a lot of my trainings so that you can live your best intuitive life. Programmed and led to believe that if we can touch it, taste it, see it, smell it, feel it, like it's here, it's right now, then it exists. If you are someone who is a recovering people pleaser, you are moving away from self-judgment and judgment of others, you are wanting a more prosperous and free, abundant, loving, graceful, joyful life, take wildly abundant, courageous actions and experience a life of your own fulfillment. But more importantly, living out that dream, that goals, those desires that you truly have on your heart. It's in your connection with God that you are able to manifest and co-create beautiful physical experience you live within. Getting down to the root of what you actually want, what your soul came here to desire and experience in life, so that moving forward, it is about you co-creating your destiny. It is about you understanding that you hold the power